Shannon, Panuska!
Hello, thank you. My name is Shannon Panuska. I'm an American here in Canberra studying environmental monitoring and technology at CIT. As you can guess from my American accent and that I'm studying and care about the environment, I'm clinically depressed. It's so hard to get away from politics, even being this far away from the States. But, you know, Canberra's just fantastic. It's an international city, large town, I mean. I really enjoy it. The other night, I met actually an Austrian in Australia. I know it's a little confusing. And I was really nervous because he came up to me. He said, "Oh, I could tell from your accent you're American." So I steeled myself, prepared for a righteous political shaming. And he said, "Do you know Billy Joel? I love Billy Joel." It was the best political conversation I've had in a year. But I'm so lucky. Studying the environment, I've gotten out of the city into the bushlands around. I've had a lot of chances to be out in the field. I'm no longer afraid of spiders. I've been in the field so much. Thank you. That's because of your snakes. So I'm really glad that not everything in Australia is like trying to kill me, but there are things that could. And I do have a problem with like what you call them. So there's a very common snake around Canberra. You guys probably know about it, the Pseudodonia textilis, right? So they hail from the same taxonomic family as death adders, cobras, the black mamba. But, you know, it's a snake and it's brown. So you guys call it a brown snake. It's apt. Even your cute animals have a dangerous side. When I first got here with my partner, I kind of waxed poetic, and I was like, could you imagine coming home and finding a koala on our couch? Wouldn't that be adorable? Oh my God, it would just being fuzzy and cute. He said no. You know, a lot of them have chlamydia. They do. But I told him, I was like, I'm not trying to fuck it. Another wonderful Australian marsupial that I am not trying to screw is the wombat. Woo! Yay, wombats! They are awesome! They are like these boxy marsupial bulldozers. They're so cool. The first thing I learned about them is that they have cubed poop. Yes! Yes! Boxy dung. This is amazing. I have 40 pictures of wombat dung on my phone. It's like, I guess, like, I don't know, the dream incarnate of Steve Jobs. I'm sure. But one of my favorite things that I've learned about them is that their primary defense against predators is their amazing ass. I kind of like to think wombats and I have that in common. Yeah. But honestly, they really do have like cartilage plates on their ass. So if they retreat to their burrow, something tries to bite them, it doesn't matter. They just hit cartilage. Wombat's fine. Wombat's like, whatevs. But poor thing, how many millions of years does something have to bite you on the ass for you to evolve cartilage plates? It's poor things. I absolutely do love Australia, and one of the things I loved about it was your beaches. Oh my gosh. We got to see a beautiful beach down by Jarvis Bay because we keep it in the ACT. Yeah. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Even though there's still things there that could really hurt you. But it was not shark season, so you didn't have to worry about that. But there were blue bottles. What do you guys say? Heaps of blue bottles, that you say. And they're also really interesting animals. They're actually colonies of different unique animals that are the same species working together, stinging and fishing and eating. Just amazing things. By the way, all the other countries in the world call them Portuguese man-o'-war. Because, like, with their little floaty bits, they kind of look like a sail. And it's also a bit more indicative of their injurious natures. Just a hint. But, you know, they look like a bottle, and they're blue. So, but I absolutely love Australia, and I'm really lucky to be here. I want to thank everybody for coming out tonight. And I'm going to pass it on to Phil.